On June 24th, 2010, at a job fair held at a public housing project, three black men seeking work share their personal stories. Listen to what they have to say.
All right, you're out here at the job fair for what specific reason?
Get a job specifically.
Get a job specifically. Are you working now?
No.
How difficult has it been to find work?
Very difficult. Frustrating.
How long has it been since you've been working?
Since the beginning of the year.
Since the beginning of the year? Do you have any prospects for work right now?
Chester Water Authority. A few other places, but nothing that's efficient, that's really picking up the phone and calling back. It's like a waste of time sometimes.
How frustrating is it, this job
Real
search
frustrating.
process?
You got a family to take care of. You can't take care of your family with no money.
What are you doing for money?
Wash your cars. Whatever I can do right now.
All right, well, best of luck to you, bro. Do it now.
Saifuddin M.A. Simpson.
Okay, now you were telling me that jobs are scarce.
Well, it's not so much that jobs are scarce, it's just that a lot of people that have criminal records, such as myself, have hard times getting employed. Even though I have a bachelor's degree from Villanova and I'm 2 classes short of a master's from Springfield, have an associate's from Montgomery County, I'm unemployed. You know what I mean? So,
How long have you been out of work?
over a year. But with my record in the past 4 years, in 2006 I was nominated being one of the top 12 men or women in the city of Chester for my community-based activities. So I left the law firm that I was working at, which was only paying me $350 a week an hour because I was an ex-offender, and came back to the city of Chester, applied at the school board, applied at the city, applied at various jobs throughout Delaware County, and just unfortunately I haven't had a job in 4 years that pays me over $350 a week or a job with benefits at all.
Now, you're a guy with a degree who
Yes.
are running through these type of issues.
Right.
Many would think you're at the top of the food chain. So
Yes.
we can only imagine a guy with no degree
Right.
must be catching hell.
I think that most of the people in Chester that are here, I think that 58% have either been in touch with the judicial system as a result of being incarcerated, on parole, or on probation, or having a relative incarcerated on parole and probation. So the city is literally flooded with, those types of situations. I was involved with the NAACP when we had the litigation to get the right back to vote for ex-offenders. You know what I mean? And I would have to applaud like the politicians in the city, the Chester City Council, State Representative Thaddeus Kirkland, Delaware County Council. They're continually working to try to do things to, get ex-offenders jobs. I know that I lobbied, and Rob Buccini personally guaranteed me that I was going to get a job at the stadium, and yet I yet to have a job at the stadium. But there are ex-offenders working down there. And I was one of the ones that got turned down for the jobs at Harris because of my criminal record. So it's looking up, and I think that people are starting to see what's going on, and it's like it's on a case-by-case basis where we're going to have to try to start doing things to be more entrepreneurs because opportunities just aren't there. The city's growing, doors are opening up, but they're just closed to us.
All right, give me a 15-second resume for yourself for a potential employer.
Bachelor's degree from Villanova, class of 2006. 2 classes short of my master's, organizational management, Springfield College. Graduated from Montgomery County Community College, magna cum laude. What else could you ask for?
And work experience.
Global sales director of hardware and supply, office manager, luxury limousine, driver dispatcher, King Limousine, paralegal at law office, Adrian J. Moody. Numerous jobs I did at Saudi Enterprises, doing office work, that kind of stuff like that. Did a lot of driving. Was Patty LaBelle chauffeur for 4.5 years. Worked at King Limousine while I was going to Villanova part-time. Did a lot of volunteer work. I worked with the Mayor's Anti-Violence Initiative. I've worked at City Team Ministries, volunteered with the YWACP. So I volunteered with a lot of different organizations such as Philip Bondis. Worked with the Mayor's Office for the cleanup. Numerous volunteer activities in order to stay busy and keep busy.
Okay, contact information.
610-441-2450, Saifuddin.Simpson@gmail.com, or you can go to my website, www.asadientinc@zoomshare.com.
All right, thank you, sir.
Like they said a job fair for us, man. She just told me I can't get a job working with them because I don't have no experience. Like I'm willing to learn. You feel me? Like, come on, man.
How old are you?
I'm 22, sir.
Okay. Have you ever worked before?
Yes.
Okay.
I had several jobs. Like, it's not hard to learn to do anything. Like, just teach me, show me how to do it. I'll adapt fast. Like, I don't know, man. I'm just trying to get a job, man. Get away from this, man. Get me out of here.
So you have no prospects for work at all this summer, or
No.
what do you do for money?
Man, my family, man. I'm 22 years old. Like, I shouldn't have to go to my family. I should be able to come and get a job, man. They don't want us to have no job. That's why with everything that's going on now, like these young people these days, like we aggravated. Like, we ain't got nothing to do. Like, we out here, they don't want us out here, then they give us a job first. She tell me I can't get a job because I ain't got no experience. Come on, man. It's not right. Tell me I can't have an application because I don't have no experience. Be serious, man. It's not fair, man. Then all these people that don't even live down here come down here getting jobs. Like, come on, man, I live here. Y'all gonna put it here and then tell me I can't? Come on, man. Crazy, man. But guess what, though?
At the end of that interview, I turned my camera off and turned around, and the lady who wouldn't give that young man an application shook her head and said, "He's so ignorant. I wanted to,